Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. And you can see with either one of these keys, I can open up the power sliding doors and the power trunk latch if needed. It's got a brand new conversion on it. Rear entry manual, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps keep these ramps from rattling. They're a real nice design. Got a handle on either side, and you can see I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than the side entry, so more room than a side entry. That's why I like these rear entries. They do taper down to about 33 there at the base between. It's got the 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Everything looks good inside. Between those second row of seats, there's 21 inches of room. Most of the time, the chair will slide right up in between them with a person's legs sitting between the chairs. And the chair will sit slightly behind them. We can take the chairs that fold up on their sides. We can always remove a chair if you want to get a chair closer to the front. That's possible. There's no one size fits all. So let us know your measurements. Let us know what you need, and we can make it happen. Very clean van, leather interior. The dash looks great, darn near perfect. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can sync your phone up here. Got your auxiliary cord, navigation, backup camera, dual climate control, rear air. Super nice center console there. And we do give a free set of pull-tight Q-strength tie-downs away with each van. And if you want to turn off, you can operate all the power doors here. If you want these to be manual, you hit the off button there. These become manual sliding doors. So say you're going to use this for a taxi cab. You don't want those motors running all the time. You can simply do that. Make them all manual. So you've got everybody secure. Come back out. Grab the ramp. Easy enough, 1 finger. Clamp everything back down and you're ready to roll. Give the trunk a slam, or you can use the power trunk lid to shut it. Quick walk around to this van. Tinted windows, brand new tires. Got the alloy wheels. You can see those tires are brand spanking new, all 4 tires. Very clean on the exterior. Hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's 100% perfect, but it sure looks good. Nice and clean. Very nice looking van. And like I said, this is the GT, top of the line model that Dodge makes. Roof looks good. I did want to show you, I do see one small little door ding about the size of a dime right there. Got a little chip in it. I'm gonna have my guy put some touch-up paint on that. I'm gonna see if our dent guy can push that out a little bit. It's right there close to the frame, so it's not easy to do. But hey, I mean, any van with 50,000 miles on it's gonna have a few scratches or dings on it. The only difference is I'm honest enough to show you and tell you what those are. We've got the VIN number right there. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. We're not doing some internet scam. At this point, I generally show you the Carfax report. Our Carfax is having some technical issues right now. So I assure you this Carfax will be on our website, which you can go to mobility316.com. You can go to our handicap inventory. You can click show me the Carfax on this van. When we get it up online, you can see the Carfax. I'll add on to the video later to show the Carfax. You can also look us up on Google. Look at that, 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. We've got some great reviews. We've got a great reputation. Also look us up on eBay, mobility316.com. You can see we have 826 transactions. We've never had any negative feedback. That's 826 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. So if you think all dealers are the same or all people selling are the same, I can promise you they're not. This is a dirty business, so do business with a clean dealer like Affordable Mobility Solutions. You can see our reputation speaks for itself. Okay, the rest of the interior has a power driver seat and passenger seat. Both work great. I'll show you the passenger seat over there. Leather interior, very clean. One other great feature about this van I forgot to show you. Got the auto start. Of course, this is great during the winter time. Got your windows defrost, come out to a nice heated vehicle. but don't think this is just a wintertime thing. These are great during the summertime. Come out to a nice cooled off vehicle. Those leather seats aren't going to burn your behind. Second row of seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. I'll come in and actually put the key in, turn it on. You can see all the dummy lights work. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Over here on the passenger side, show you this electric seat over here as well. Everything on this van works. I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. Well, 3 mechanics now. 3 mechanics. One had to move away. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We've checked everything. We do not just throw these on the lot. These are fully inspected. We let you know exactly what we see. I let you know exactly what I know about this van. Underneath the hood, no signs of any damage. We check along these fender rails, check around the radiator support. Everything looks good. The engine idles smoothly. There's your emission sticker. No signs of any damage, no signs of any accidents, no signs of any floods. As I crawl underneath the vehicle, very much the same. Look how clean that is. I don't see any bent metal, no leaks, no abnormal rust like in a flood or anything like that. And you know, that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because it only has 51,000 miles on it. They assume because the salesman's nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. Hey, I'll tell you what. Go check out my competition right now. Go hit their website. I am fine with that. Go check them out. Do they have pictures of the undercarriage like this? Much less a video. Do they have Carfax reports? Do they show you the reputation? Do they have a video of the vehicle running and driving down highway speeds? You know, or are you just going to assume all those work? And the bad part is, people buy these from New York, Chicago, and you know, up in the rust areas. They bring in rust buckets and they sell them to you, and you're none the wiser. And rust can be a major problem as vehicles age. You know, so demand a detailed video, just like this. Even if you don't buy from me, I don't care who you buy from, but if you're going to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a vehicle, and they won't get out and spend 30 minutes of their time making a video like this, then who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video. So let's get the car out on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out and give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. You can see the steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not shaking back and forth. No unusual vibration or noise. This van also has a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, I know all the conversion companies out there say they have the best conversion. Ask them why their conversion stops at 36,000 miles and ours goes to unlimited miles if theirs is so much better than ours. Give them an ask, see what they say about that. 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Still meets the specs to be under the powertrain warranty from Dodge Chrysler. With all that being said, we do strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go from 90 days all the way up to 8 years. Talk to us about those. You know, protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers out there have a real nice price online. Then you call on and you talk to them and they don't tell you at the last minute, oh yeah, we've got a $500 dock fee. Then we've got tag fees. Then we've got freight. Then all these other fees. And next thing you know, that $30,000 van is now $31,000 or $31,500. Then you got to factor in shipping. Remember, we do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Next thing you know, that $30,000 is now about $33,000. Not such a great price, is it? The price you see on our website is the price to get this to your door. And my other point is, you know, if someone's not going to tell you the real price, if it's supposed to be $30,000 and it's really $31,000 or $31,500, if they're going to hide the real price from you, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding flood damage, an accident, mechanical issues, a salvage title? You know, I don't know. I just know if someone's not honest with me from the start, I'm guaranteeing there's something else they're hiding on the back end. So just beware of people out there doing stuff like that. I've been doing this 10 years. I know the ins and outs. I know who to watch for and what to watch for. As I came to a halt, no grinding, no braking, no grinding, no squeaking or unusual brake noises, so everything runs just like it should. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. And hey, if you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. That is my cell phone. I am the owner. I want you to ask the competition, those big companies out there, say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me your owner's cell phone number? Ask them, see what they say. Are they committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Try it and find out. And hey, if you want to see all of our inventory with detailed videos, Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, check us out, www.mobility316.com. Oh, by the way, heated seats, heated steering wheel, all the goodies on this Caravan. I'll show you the backup camera and the navigation here in just a minute. And we do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. If you're old school, if you're not real good with computers, that's okay. Give us a call. We'll take an application over the phone and get you taken care of. Or we can send one to you. There's navigation. It's got the backup camera on it as well. And yes, we do take trade-ins. We can work those out even if you're a ways away from us. We've done it before, and I'm sure we'll do it again. So give me a call. Let me know how we can help with all that. So I don't mean to talk fast. We got to cram a lot of information into a short video as possible. But I just want to thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions. Again, my name is Jeremiah. Give us a call today.